कैसे हैं ये लम्हे जो बीते ना, हर पल यादों की धुन में जी रहा, अरसों की थी जो ये दास्तां.
Good morning from Mumbai airport, guys. Being an entrepreneur is not easy. Plus, managing your life, entrepreneurial life, along with your corporate life is not easy. Okay. So, कभी मैं corporate में business trips पे जाता था. अब entrepreneurship है, so I'm going to deliver a guest lecture in a wonderful college that is Takshila Business School. So आज I have a lot of things in my checklist. So वो सब तो आपको दिख ही रहा होगा यहाँ पे, but वो सब होने के बाद I'll go to the hotel. I will freshen up. Then maybe we might go out for some sightseeing अगर time मिलता है तो.
कैसे हैं ये लम्हे जो बीते ना, दिल से दिल मिलते थे जो मिले ना.
Guys, I have reached Taxila Business School, okay, and it is so awesome. I cannot even tell you. मैं जैसी आया मेरी आरती करके खातिरदारी हुई. फिर उसके बाद जो डायरेक्टर साहब है, he came and he personally treated me so well. उनके बाद a lot of faculties came, they've treated me. Students इतने अच्छे हैं आके, I can't even tell you. And guys, now I have like basically अभी 10:30 हो रहा है. I have my speech at 12 here, okay. But I've interacted with students well enough to know their perspective and their mindset. So उसके according now I'll have to tweak my speech in some way. Also इतना प्यारा गुलदस्ता दिया है यार वो लोग ने मुझे. I'm so happy for that. Okay, first things first. I have been given the exemption कि मुझे 50 रुपए फाइन नहीं देना है if I speak in Hindi. So that is what I'm going to do. It is going to be a blend of Hindi and English so that it becomes more interesting for you guys and you find it more relatable. So next slide please. I would want to share or rather ask a question कि यार कौन है introvert? Are you guys introverts? How many of you are introverts? Please, I would want you guys to raise your hands. Are you really introverts या फिर अगर best friends तुम्हें call करे तो तुम घंटों बात कर सकते हो? Are you ambiverts or introverts? Ambiverts, okay. हमारे बीच ना कुछ ऐसे प्रजाति भी हैं who would receive a call, they would look at their phones and they would smile while the call is going on, enjoying the ringtone. उठाएंगे नहीं, किसी का भी हो. Are you that kind of a person who is there?
Thank you, sir, for sharing your valuable insights and teachings with us today.
कि हम हैं हारे.
Guys, I've just checked in at Marriott Jodhpur and अभी like इतने लंबे लंबे सेशंस होने के बाद and I don't have time. मैंने अभी just change किया है and now I'm leaving. कहाँ जा रहा हूँ मैं? I'm going to visit Jaipur, the lovely city of Jaipur, क्योंकि अभी शाम है. कल दोपहर को धूप हो जाएगी, ठीक है, बारिश नहीं है यहाँ पे. So I need to be, I need to travel, I need to enjoy my life. And इसीलिए तुम्हारा भाई आज enjoy करेगा. Guys, finally I'm at the most amazing place of Jaipur, that is Hawa Mahal. Yes, अभी मैं finally आ चुका हूँ guys, Hawa Mahal, and it is one of the most beautiful thing that you can ever see.
हर पल यादों की धुन में जी रहा, अरसों की थी जो ये दास्तां, आसान नहीं है अब ये भूलना, हम तो हारे ना थे तुम्हारे, क्यों दिल ना मान. कैसे हैं ये लम्हे जो बीते ना, दिल से दिल मिलते थे जो मिले.
एंड तुम्हारा भाई बहुत खा रहा है भाई, दबा रहा है तुम्हारा भाई, ठीक है. he's enjoying his own company and I'm loving it.
वादे तो मिल गए सारे खाक में, हम तो हारे.
Guys, the nightlife of Jaipur is very vibrant. खुले ऑटो में घूम रहा हूँ and it's amazing. I'll show you the vibe of Jaipur, actual vibe.
क्यों दिल ना माने ये हम.
So guys, basically this is the place. That would be the last before I head back to my hotel.
माने माने
अच्छा, आपको किसी ने कभी बोला है भानगढ़ ले चलो करके?
क्यों गए ना, दूसरी गाड़ी जाती है हमारी.
हारे हारे दिल ना माने माने.
When I had first started this page, उस टाइम पे मुझे पता नहीं था कि हम कहाँ तक पहुँचेंगे. I never expected to visit a business school again in my life, and of course, not just visit a business school. I delivered a speech there for the first time. That is an unforgettable thing for me. You know, this lifestyle, traveling all across India, getting access to all the 5-star hotels all the time. Only some people can do it. I consider myself lucky that I have this opportunity. Wonderful experience, guys. Guys, इससे तो तुम्हें motivation मिलना चाहिए कि simply doing an MBA won't do it. Your personality needs to develop. If you are able to develop your personality to that level, then nobody can stop you. If you are an entrepreneur, remember one thing, that never ever bring money in front of your passion. Okay? आपका पैशन जो है वो डिटरमाइन नहीं करेगा कि आप कितने पैसे कमाओगे. Your hard work will determine, your experience will determine. Managing everything, it's difficult. But still I'm trying my level best कि मैं सब कुछ accommodate कर पाऊँ. Plus I'm handling everything alone. Right from digital marketing to branding to my corporate life. I'm handling everything alone.
क्यों दिल ना माने ये हम हैं हारे.
That is what I feel. Jumping from 5-star hotels to traveling different places to meeting new people to having different experiences. This is what shapes our life, right? And it has shaped me into an individual as such that I'm able to communicate with my audience effectively. ये मेरे लिए भी पहली बार एक collaboration session था, so I may have made a lot of mistakes. I may have not made mistakes. It completely depends on the perspective of the students who are listening there, right? Guys, finally the day has ended. Okay, it started with a bang. I woke up at 3 a.m. and फिर सब कुछ काम करते हुए guys हमारे सारे checklists finally complete हुए. I'm planning to watch my video again, जो मैंने speech दिया है, because I want to point out or find out rather the mistakes that I have done, and I would want to improve them or introspect myself before I go to bed. So I just hope that I can sleep peacefully without anybody waking me up.
कैसे हैं ये लम्हे जो बीते ना, दिल से दिल मिलते थे जो मिले ना. क्या क्या सोचा था हमने साथ में, वादे तो मिल गए सारे खाक में, हम तो हारे ना थे तुम्हारे. हम तो हारे नाते तुम्हारे क्यों दिल ना माने कि हम हैं हारे
मन तो नहीं है guys, but I am leaving Jaipur, and so this journey was a very insightful one for me, I must say, because यार मैं जयपुर आया था as a working professional, ठीक है, a person who has completed his MBA, an entrepreneur who is looking to grow his business, right? And मैं जा रहा हूँ taking a baggage, a positive baggage of a lot of learnings. जब तुम MBA स्टूडेंट्स खुद होते हो तब कुछ और होता है, ठीक है, जब तुम MBA कंप्लीट कर लेते हो कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में जाते हो तब कुछ और होता है, एंड जब तुम MBA करके कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में जाके नाउ यू हैव अ टेस्ट एंड एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ बोथ ऑफ दीज वर्ल्ड्स, एंड देन यू कम बैक टू द MBA लाइफ फॉर अ डे, उस दिन तुम रियलाइज करते हो कि यू नो हाउ डिफरेंट दीज थिंग्स आर, एंड मतलब तुम फिर उसके बाद स्टूडेंट का साइकोलॉजी समझने लगते हो. बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसी होती है जो टीचर्स के नजरों में नहीं आती हैं, बट सिंस यू हैव बीन अ स्टूडेंट योरसेल्फ, यू आर इजीली एबल टू ऑब्जर्व थिंग्स एंड यू आर एबल टू कैच होल्ड ऑफ देम. सो मेरे कल के तो सारे मीटिंग्स इट वेंट सक्सेसफुल, इट वाज गुड. I got a lot of insights as well. I got to learn a lot as well. I got to showcase my brand in front of so many people. So over and all, this journey has been a wonderful one, I must say. And hopefully, अभी मैं फ्लाइट में एडिट कर पाऊँ अपनी वीडियोस, अगर किस्मत अच्छी हुई तो, ठीक है. Hopefully there are no crying babies in my flight. नहीं तो भाई रो दूंगा मैं.
भूलना हम तो हारे